Ponytails Christmas. Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a butterfly braid or a fishtail in my ponytail. Okay, let's get started. All you'll need is one rubber band. Okay, I think you straighten it up. And I'm gonna try to get in the middle. I'm gonna try to do the middle. But again, I'm not looking at the back of my head, so we're gonna see the final reveal together. So you're gonna take the hair from the middle. And then this is the only hair we're gonna work with. No other hair today. Oh Lord, it's already tangled. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, so we got this piece, one little piece, and then we're gonna braid it down. Since my braid is long, I'm going to braid it a little bit longer. Okay, got the braid. So now I'm going to get a rubber band. Rubber band. I'm looking at the camera. I should be looking at the mirror. So the rubber band. And we're gonna put it on the end. Oh yeah, I can show you how my spray. Okay, then we're gonna comb the bottom. Man. Okay, comb the bottom. And you're just gonna spread it. Spread it out. Spread it. Spread it all the way out. Keep going back and forth, pulling it. Well, maybe I should have sprayed that first. Okay, give it a little room. There we go. This can be messy as you would like for it to be. I have a real problem with messy hair. I just do not like nothing messy for real. I just can't stand it. And some people like it, you know. There's a bit of people what they like. They really be cutting grass while I'm doing my video. What do you mean? But I think my baby hairs again. Okay. Yeah, I have a real problem with mixing hair. I don't know, honey. I don't know. Okay. And then we got this miracle spray. It's from Beauty Solutions. It's for wigs, synthetic wigs. But I found it. I seen a girl on TikTok use this, and I found it at Walmart. So we're gonna spray it on our hair. I'll link it in my Amazon cart if y'all want to try it. But it's for synthetic wigs, synthetic hair. Okay, y'all, it worked. Look how easy that was. I don't know why I didn't spray that on there first. Stick my baby hair start quick. I don't know if I'm gonna gel these down because I'm not about to be pressing this baby hair every day. Burn my edges out. Remember this day? Not really. Okay, y'all. Ready for the final review? Is it sexy? I think so. Look at this. Okay. Definitely. Alright, that's it for today. We did a simple little 1-2 ponytail. Make it pop a little bit more. And I will link the spray in my Amazon cart. for y'all if you want to get it. Okay, see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
I wanna thank you.